So I was reading Fast Company, the business magazine, and they had this article on a new competitor for Chat GPT. And as I was reading the article about the company, I decided to take a look at their website. They make something called Stable Diffusion, and they also run something called ClipDrop. Stable Diffusion XL, it generates images from text. So those people who follow my YouTube channel, I've been working for the past 2 months on an EDC pocket rack. It's a kind of an organizer. And I thought, well, let me put in everyday carry pocket organizer with tools and see what it generates. So you just enter the text here, you click on generate, and it takes 10 to 15 seconds, and it comes back with these images, and it just blew me away. These things, their photo quality, these don't exist. It looks like they were shot in a studio. They weren't. So these are strictly from the artificial intelligence creates these. And the other thing is you can do is change the style of the image. So if I go to photographic and click generate, it changes it up quite a bit. They're different images completely, but these all look like they were shot in a studio. They're not. They're all strictly coming from the computer. And there's some interesting designs and patterns. I mean, they're gorgeous images. But the one thing you'll notice here is if you open some of these up and take a closer look, is that the computer doesn't really know what the tools do. What it's doing is it's pulling these images together from the internet on EDC, and there's so many different variations, it's kind of morphing them all into things that look like tools, but it's kind of a mishmash. But there's some really interesting images as you go through the different styles that they offer. So the rest of the video is going to go through that. I pulled off some pretty interesting selection over the past couple of days. Take a look and enjoy.